All right, 2017 Toyota Corolla. We got a check engine light. Let's see what it is. Got the Next Peak NX501. We gotta see what the problem is here. All right, it's all plugged into the OBD2 port. Let's see what the heck the problem is here. DTC's 1. Let's only have 1. Permanent fault code. Wonderful. Read codes. DTCs. PCM internal engine off timer performance? What does that even mean? P2610. If anyone knows what that means, let me know in the comments. ECM, PCM, internal engine off timer performance. That's the only one. Pending. Same one. Permanent DTCs. Same one. I don't know what the hell that is. I'm going to erase the codes. In order to do that, we have to turn the car off. We have to turn the ignition to the on position so that all the lights come on. Turn the fan off. And then so the engine's off with the ignition on. Okay, so then we go down to erase codes. We hit OK. Clear reset. Are you sure? Yes. Engine on, ignition on, engine off. Press OK to continue. Enter OK to continue. Has been cleared. Okay. Let's start the car again, see what happens. Let me drive it around for like a couple blocks and see what happens. Hold on, I'll be right back. Yeah, before I go for a drive, let me cycle it on, cycle it off, and then on again. Okay, the car's off. Turn it back on. Okay, no check engine light. That's good. Now let me drive it around, see what happens. All right, I drove it around for a few blocks, and it seems to be all right. Let me start it again. No more check engine light. Yeah, it seems to be off. All right. That's it for me. Thanks for watching.